Aggie. I'm the founder and executive director for a local nonprofit called F.U.S.E. F.U.S.E stands for Free, Unashamed, Safe and Empowered, and we seek to eradicate human trafficking by empowering one survivor at a time through prevention education, community outreach projects, rescue missions, and rehabilitation initiatives. Some of those initiatives include GED test prep, work study programs, health screenings, emergency intakes, one-on-one counseling, or equine therapy. There's a plethora of things that go into the unique program that it is. Right now we only have non-residential programming because we don't have a building, hence the big gala. So the gala is just one step closer to getting our facility. And once we have a facility, then we'll have residential and emergency housing available for these survivors. The gala is Saturday, September 30th here in Naples. It's at the Country Club of Naples off of Goodlet, I believe. And it'll be happening from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. and tickets are $250. What's included in the tickets are open bar for the night, butlered cocktail hour, 3-course dinner, and myself, I will be speaking and sharing my story, and then we have honorary chairs, Dog the Bounty Hunter and his wife Francie Chapman. Francie will actually be speaking. You know, she's a survivor of sexual assault, so she'll be sharing her story, and they'll be there, and it's just going to be a really fun time. Like, this is a huge goal that I've had, and I'm really excited to have others align with me and be there, and it's gonna be good, and we're gonna educate our community, and then they're gonna be able to do something about human trafficking specifically here in Southwest Florida.